Good evening, everybody. It is Jen here at David Christopher's, and we are going to do a little store tour tonight to kick off our open house. So we're going to walk through the store, and I have a little poem for you, if you will humor me. 'Twas the night before open house, and all throughout the store, twinkling lights shimmered, promising Christmas galore. The ornaments glistened, each bauble a gem, gold, silver, and crimson adorning each stem. If we look hard enough, Santa can be found on a jolly display, while angels and stars turn night into day. Adults and children will marvel at scenes yet to come. Tomorrow, Christmas music will softly hum. Behind the scenes where the team prepared, whispers and joy will be lovingly shared. For tomorrow at David Christopher's will bring laughter and cheer, as Christmas at last promises to draw near. So rest now, dear store, in your glitter and glow. Tomorrow the world will be dazzled, we know. And we remember why we celebrate. It's because of Jesus' birth, when a king left the throne in heaven to join us here on earth. With hearts full of wonder and eyes shining bright, we welcome the Christmas season with delight. So we're looking at all the trees in the dark before everyone gets here at 10 a.m. in the morning and we start. We hope you all have your list made and ready to go. There's really a whole lot of stuff, you know. We're going to have 40% off the entire store. So make sure you get here and rush through the door. This is our 17th annual open house at David Christopher's, 411 South Montgomery Avenue in Sheffield. And if you can't make it to the store, you can find us online at shopdavidchristopher's.com. But we hope this has all brought you a little joy and gotten you into the holiday spirit. We're grateful for each and every one of you. Have a wonderful night.